In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your HubSpot accounts effectively in 2020. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you smoothly through the YATA process. By the end, you'll feel more confident in managing your settings and preferences within HubSpot. Let's begin by accessing the user guide in HubSpot. Head over to your browser and type in the URL or simply click on the provided link if it's available to you. This will take you to the HubSpot user guide page. Once you're on the page, you'll be greeted with a variety of options to help you navigate through different features and settings available in HubSpot. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page, as it serves as a helpful resource packed with information and tips. Next, we're going to locate the settings. This is an essential part of managing your HubSpot account as it contains all the configurations that control how your account operates. Look for the settings icon or the word settings, likely located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to a new section dedicated to settings. Within the settings menu, you should see multiple tabs and categories. Take a moment to observe the layout, as HubSpot might update their interface periodically, but the general navigation remains intuitive. For our needs, focus on finding the section labeled Account Defaults. This section is crucial for determining how certain account features are set up by default, which particularly comes in handy for maintaining consistency across different users or teams if you're working in collaboration. Once you've successfully clicked on Account Defaults, you'll be taken to a page where you can view and adjust various default settings. Here, you have the power to tailor the user experience to better suit your needs, whether it's adjusting language preferences, defaulting to certain currencies, or customizing how notifications are received. It's worth spending a little time here to understand each option and play around with the settings to see what works best for you. And there you have it. Now you know how to navigate to the user guide in HubSpot, access the settings, and find the account defaults to manage your preferences. Remember, the key to making the most out of HubSpot is exploring and personalizing your settings to match your workflow. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. And of course, feel free to explore further. HubSpot is loaded with features waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering tools and apps like HubSpot.